Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you'll have a lot of fun in your life. Friends, it's me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very attractive and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. For girls and women. Many much more beautiful and latest collection, trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more latest collection, beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. For girls, for women. Some ideas for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Some ideas to short wave and curls on hair, wavy curly hairstyling. Messy hairstyle. Beautiful ideas of spiky hairstyle. And so attractive ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas, funky colors. And beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. And different ideas of base color. Light base color, dark base color. And so attractive collection of different ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cuts, some ideas layered, some ideas step. And many much more stylish ideas, latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women. Some ideas for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish, and you look gorgeous, you look younger, you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share your